Okay, let's start this party. Icky, yucky. Oh, yuck. Yeah, that's a lot of water there, huh, buddy? Okay, so that was a little bit more water than I wanted to navigate. So gonna whip on back and catch the road, heading down to Snohomish. Gonna do a loop around the river and come up over the Highway 2 bridge, drop back into Everett and see how it goes. Okay, let's take a little breather here and check out the Snohomish River from the bridge there. And while we're at it, check out this little chesty strap that I have to harness my GoPro on my chest. You can actually put it on upside down and it gives a real nice view of the road ahead of you. Okay, so we made the turn to the bridge in Snohomish there. Now we're on the back side of the river, the north side of the river, I guess. And a little bit longer trek home because we go through the Eby Island flats there. But yeah, should be a little less traffic, which might be good. Other side of the river now. Things have quieted down a little bit, except for this barking dog. And yeah. Hey, what do you say? Wanna try a little bit of this? Here you go. Yeah. Well, come on over. Don't think I'll skip you, buddy. Talk to me, Goose. Yeah, I hear you. Hi, buddy. What's going on, beautiful? Hey, what do you say? Can I get you a little scratch there? Oh, that feels good, huh? And you need a little scratch on the head? There you go. Okay, thanks for playing. Okay, catching the Highway 2 bridge here. Man, it's loud out here. When you stop on this bridge, the whole thing bounces when these trucks go over. So it's a little bit... Okay, there's my horse buddies. That train was parked there I stayed for 15 minutes, and then one of the train workers walked by and said they had some kind of an emergency brake application, so they were going to be stuck there for a while. So I had to whip around and come home a different way. Alrighty, thanks for watching.